Hello and welcome to the highlights of day one at the all-new Africa Health and Medlab Africa 2024, Africa's leading healthcare and lab event. Well, it has been an incredible first day with exhibits from over 500 exhibitors. We've had insightful discussions, we've had innovative breakthroughs and some valuable networking opportunities. Well, the day kicked off with a grand opening ceremony attended by key healthcare stakeholders, including Western Cape Provincial Minister of Health and Wellness, Ms. Cr8 Cr8 Student, CEO of Cr8, and many more.
Well, we're absolutely delighted to have the conference in Cape Town for the first time this year. We think the region offers unique opportunities with world-class infrastructure. We have top-class universities, and we also have a very important health tech sector growing here in Cape Town and the Western Cape.
This event set the tone for the exhibition and CPD accredited conferences. Today marked the start of the Healthcare Indaba on global health, with engaging discussions on building resilient healthcare systems and fostering impactful partnerships. In addition to the Healthcare Indaba, we also hosted the Lab Directors Forum. Transformation Zone was a hub of activity today, featuring transformation talks powered by Cr8 and the first round of the Innov8 Startup Competition. Tomorrow promises to be even more exciting with day 2 of the Healthcare Indaba, focusing on AI and digital health. But before we conclude, we'd like to express our sincere gratitude to our sponsors, whose generous support has made this event possible. You still have time to register and visit our website for more details, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.